Are you tired of your Thursday boots looking worn and dull? Well, don't replace them. Revive them. I'll show you exactly how to bring your boots back to life, extending their lifespan and saving you money using Thursday's cleaning brand, Cobbler's Choice. No more complicated routines or expensive supplies. This easy step-by-step guide will make your boots go from this, with the right tools, to this. So join me as I walk you through the exact steps to completely restore and maintain your boots to keep that sleek and clean Thursday feel. Let's jump right in. To set up, go ahead and assess what your boots need. Consider how soiled or scuffed up your boots are so you know exactly what products to buy. All of my recommendations are in the description below. For my pair, I'm going all out with the Essential Leather Kit by Cobbler's Choice. It comes with everything you'll need to do the job. For best results, let's remove the laces completely so we can access the entire tongue area of your boots as well as clean the laces. Next, it's vitally important to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. The easiest way to do so is with Cobbler's Choice Premium Horsehair Brush. Note, with any natural horsehair brush, it's normal to experience fallout during the first few brushes given the process of how the hairs are pinned. This brush is so thick, you won't even notice a difference. Ensure that as you brush your leather, you're not pushing too hard. It's about friction, not force. This is the best way to remove any debris. Anything that's caked on or hard to get off, we'll tackle next. Next, we'll be cleaning our leather with Cobbler's Choice all-natural tea tree infused leather cleaner. It strictly uses plant-derived cleaning agents and mineral-based pH balancers so your leather doesn't start to decompose, unlike other toxic leather cleaners on the market. Its easy to apply spray head ensures that every inch of your leather is cleaned evenly, something that I rarely have seen in the leather care products today. Generously spray your leather with cleaner, but wipe it off immediately after in order to prevent your leather from soaking, which can cause mold or mildew. Repeat as necessary. The area where most people forget about to clean is the boot tongue, where most of the dirt hides. And if you've gotten value so far, please hit that like button for me real quick. Something that I highly recommend as we continue to refresh these boots is to fill them out using cedar boot trees. Cobbler's Choice literally offers the finest quality boot trees that I've ever seen in my life. They don't stop short at delivering. And if you didn't know, cedar wood has natural deodorant, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. These boot trees are straightforward, simply insert them like so, which will give us the shape we need to keep them looking brand new. Once everything is fully cleaned and fully dry, we'll move to conditioning. Of course, we'll be using Cobbler's Choice triple filtered beeswax conditioner that includes a unique blend of seed oils using the same nutrients found in healthy skin. Simply take a small amount and apply it to a lint-free cloth or rub it in directly with your hands. Depending on how dry your leather is, your leather may absorb more or less than this boot. Ensure that you're conditioning every inch of your leather for best results. Doing this is going to increase the lifespan of your boots, and areas that don't receive conditioning may crack, tear, or split due to dryness and overall age. And if you guys have any loose threads, a little hack here, tie them down and take a flame to heat seal them. This will prevent them from further unraveling. Now that we've used conditioner to deeply penetrate the leather's pores, we want to protect and waterproof it with Cobbler's Choice Leather Cream. This is the first line of defense for leaks, spills, and of course, wild adventures. Note that this won't fully waterproof your boots, but provides a water-resistant barrier from the elements. Again, you want to be as thorough as possible. Once it's thoroughly dried, take your horsehair brush and give it a shine. Again, be thorough. Brushing your leather at this step ensures that all of the product you just put on is evenly distributed. The friction will also heat up some of the waxes and provide a uniform look and feel. Well, did you guys know that you can get rid of those ugly, pesky wrinkles? Well, you can, and if you've gotten value so far, like the video and consider subscribing. All you have to do is gently warm up your leather and massage those wrinkles away. Ensure that you don't overheat your leather as you can damage and shrink it. If it's too hot for you to touch, it's too hot for the leather. Repeat this process as necessary and make sure that you insert your boot trees after every use to prevent further creasing and keep your boots looking fresh for every wear. After this, feel free to give your boots one last pass with the brush and let's get to cleaning those laces. Cleaning your laces can highly elevate the look of your boots, so make sure not to skip this part. Go ahead and take your Cobbler's Choice cleaner, spray them down, and then give them a rub. After that, go ahead and run them through a cloth until dry. And we are just about done. Simply relace your boots and we have one step after this. Something I love about Thursday's laces is that the quality is truly unmatched. Whether it's their Kevlar laces or simple raw leather laces, they're truly fine quality. Last but not least, go ahead and grab Cobbler's Choice waterproofing spray to give your boots one final invisible shield. Infused with carnauba wax, this spray provides a hydrophobic barrier that beads off any liquid when applied properly. Go ahead and shake your bottle and thoroughly spray from about 8 inches away in a back and forth motion, ensuring that each panel of leather is protected. Don't forget about the midsole. After at least 1 hour of drying, your boots are ready for anything from a night on the town or an adventure through the mountains. In just a few minutes, your boots have gone from this, with the right tools, to this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you found value in this video, if it helped you protect your investment, save time, or make your boots look as sharp as the day you bought them, be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember that all the items used in this video are in the description below, so definitely check them out. Your journey to becoming the expert of your own boot care isn't over yet. There's more to explore on my channel, so check out my other videos to level up your leather care game. Together, we'll ensure all your leather goods stay legendary for years to come. Remember to love your leather.